Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel, Thrifty Tashi. Today is going to be a different video from my original Thrift With Me, thrift haul kind of videos, which I highly enjoy doing. But I wanted to really go a little deeper here on my channel when it comes to being a homeowner and doing renovations on a budget. So make sure y'all stay tuned, and if you're new to my channel, I will appreciate it if y'all give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. All right, so let's just dive right into this topic. Okay, I have my notes. So first, I'm going to share with y'all just a brief history of our home. It was built in 1970. It's 950 square feet, not including the sunroom. The previous owners converted the back porch area and they enclosed it and made it a sunroom. So it does give us a little bit more living space. I'm not sure exactly how much, but it's still under 1,500 square feet. And we have 2 bedrooms and 1.5 bathrooms, meaning that we only have 1 full bathroom with a toilet, sink, shower, and the other bathroom, which is the 0.5, it only has a toilet and a sink. So yeah, and it's in our desirable neighborhood, which is very important to us. My husband and I really been dreaming of living in this area, and as first-time home buyers, we're so grateful to God that we worked hard, saved our money, and made it possible. So this particular house, we have a lot of ideas, and I want to break it down to y'all so y'all can really see the reality to certain things, because I watch a lot of YouTube videos here where you see people doing tons of home remodeling, and I gotta admit, now that we're homeowners for 6 years, we haven't done anything major to our house. So I'm going to show y'all some before pictures and discuss like our overall idea when it comes to home renovations. And as always, we're trying to stick to a budget. So the first room I'm going to focus on is the sunroom, which was, like I mentioned before, it was a patio, and the previous homeowners changed it into a sunroom. Now, I'm going to insert a clip of what the sunroom looked before we even moved in our home. And it was really grimy, dingy. I think the panel, it was like a green panel. It was an AC unit in there, and it wasn't working at all. It was completely like broken, and we had to remove it, and it was just a wreck. It wasn't livable at all. What my husband and I done, on a budget of course, we just cleaned it up and gave it a good coat of paint. We tried to neaten up every area as possible, like the ceiling. My husband put some panels up, and my parents, they gifted us with a new AC unit, which was really needed. And we just pretty much added some curtains, some furniture, and just refreshed it up on a budget. And even now, the sunroom is still bright and fresh, but I still want to upgrade it a little bit more, on a budget, of course. I always got to stay on a budget, because I did get some estimations from Home Depot to replace all of the windows, and it's really expensive. So instead of doing that, I may just clean the windows, give it a good deep clean, and touch up paint. And I really think that'll make it more brighter. So another thing, we have like a porch looking light in the sunroom, and I am definitely going to replace that. That is such an eyesore to me. So now we're going to move on into my kitchen. What can I say about my kitchen, y'all? It's small and cozy, and there are things that I want to remodel in my kitchen, but there's nothing drastic that needs to be done. It's pretty much been the same since we purchased the house. We haven't done anything to it, and yeah, so some ideas that I have for our kitchen, since it's so small, it's really like a galley kitchen. I do want to paint the kitchen cabinets. I've been watching Hillary from Old World Home. Hillary, if you're watching this video, hey, I'll link her channel down below. If y'all never heard of her channel, I really suggest y'all watch her channel. I love it. But anyway, Hillary DIY'd her kitchen cabinets, and over the years, they're still holding up pretty good. And I noticed that she do like a little touch-up painting, which is it's something simple to do. So I think I want to go that route. I've been watching her videos just to get a feel on how to DIY my cabinets. But that's something that I need to practice on in like the bathroom vanity, you know, in that area before I do the kitchen. So I do want to brighten up the cabinets, not white, but like maybe like an antique kind of white, or even like a green. I am loving green lately, like a very light sagey green, to give it like a little accent color. And the top cabinets, I do want to remove them. I was thinking about doing like open shelves. Since my kitchen's so small, the open shelves would just make it feel more airy. Overall, the kitchen is not a major space that need to be remodeled. Living room and dining room space is just fine. I do a lot of decorating in here, especially for the seasons, but I'm going to slow down in that department and put more energy in to really focusing on upgrades to make our home look more put together. So we're going to focus on my bathroom. Now, my bathroom been the same since we moved here. We didn't change anything at all. I think I did paint it though, but that didn't turn out so good, y'all. Like my husband and I, it's like a trial and error kind of thing when it comes to DIYing. We are looking to do like a complete bathroom remodel. I want everything gutted out. I want a new tub, toilet, new vanity, and I have a lot of ideas on Pinterest. I really love the bathroom to be simple, really neutral, and just light and bright. The vanity, I do want it to have some charm though. I really love the vanities where it look like you converted a dresser into a vanity kind of thing with a sink at the top. I don't know. Or it could just be like a solid wood vanity. I'm gonna keep it simple. I think I get carried away a little bit. I am planning on bringing in the professionals in a way, although I have family members that can, you know, remodel it, but time is valuable and I really just want it done. So my husband and I are looking at Home Depot, Lowe's, and other companies nearby where we're working on good pricing and just keeping things very simple so I don't really go overboard on my budget. Now the half bathroom, my husband and I are going to DIY ourselves. I feel that we can really tackle that project and be successful. I want to paint the vanity. I love the original hardware on the sink and everything. I love that vintage kind of look. So I'm keeping that. And I love the mirror frame as is. The light fixture, I love it as is. So we're going to paint the tile. I've been watching tons of YouTube videos on that topic when it comes to just refinishing bathroom tile on a budget. The other bedroom that we have in the back is only used like for storage reasons, and that's another topic. I don't know what to say about that room. My husband, he's a musician, so he have major instruments in that space, and we have to figure that part out. I really don't know what to do with that space. We don't have a garage or extra storage on the outside, so to be continued with that. So that pretty much covers all of the details that we have planned for the interior of our home. Now I'm going to bring y'all outside so I can show y'all the exterior parts of our house and share some upcoming ideas we are planning as well. So here's the exterior part of our home. It's a cloudy day. So over the years, my husband and I, we done our flower bed over and over. So now we're deciding to allow the grass to grow in, and right now everything looks quite bare. We still have this beautiful, I'm not even sure what kind of plant this is, but my dad gave it to us. You may notice like this part, we're going to knock that down just to open up the porch some. This is how the front of our yard look. I do want to add a lemon tree to that spot where this spoon windmill is located. We got this from Eastman, Georgia when we went to visit my grams. I love it. I definitely want a lemon tree in this spot. And you noticed some touch-ups in that area. Long story short, we live in South Florida, so there's tons of hurricanes here, but we had to do a little touch-up. So we definitely need the paint, which we were looking at some samples and already finalized it. So I'm gonna take y'all around the house. See, this is the side. We're gonna lift up all of the shutters. And like I said, I do want new windows, but that's very expensive right now. So we're just going to use what we have and keep our windows, clean them up, and paint, make everything look brand new. So I think that'll be just fine for right now. We're being content and using what we have. Back of our home, which I have tons of ideas as well that I'm just ready to tackle. So this is the back. We were thinking about clearing all of this out and creating raised garden beds, because I definitely want to add some fruits and vegetables, mostly vegetables that I want to grow, like tomatoes, collard greens. What we eat often, we eat a lot of vegetables. And on the other hand, I was thinking if we keep this, I think it's a banana tree. Y'all see that? We got some bananas or plantains. So maybe we'll just keep this and clean up around it. But yeah, it's definitely, we have to get rid of that. We have a lot of summer projects. That's going to be the main thing. And this is the car porch area. So like I said, this is the sunroom that was converted. And it's a door that leads to the car porch area, which I was thinking when we open the shutter, we'll be able to utilize the space, because we have family barbecues back here, and instead of going through the front door, we can go through the sunroom door right here. So yeah, this is our cozy little home that we absolutely love. And now we're gonna start painting. Well, not now, but this is the first video that I'm sharing with y'all. So make sure y'all subscribe to my channel so y'all can come along this journey as we remodel our first home 6 years later. All right, so I made it back in. It's extremely hot outside. I think it's going to storm again, but that's going to wrap it up with this video. I hope y'all enjoyed it. I'm just so excited to bring y'all along as we really put some thought into our home now. Like I mentioned, we're homeowners for 6 years, and it takes time to really get a feel of your home. And I made this video to encourage all of those that are watching to take your time and not to compare yourself to other people. Things may not happen as quickly as you would like, but it's your home. So take the time that's needed to make it the perfect space for you and your family to enjoy. And there's going to be a lot more home renovation kind of videos here on my channel, so make sure y'all stay tuned and subscribe. And if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up so I can know to make more videos like this. This is really outside of my comfort zone. Like I said, I always share a lot of thrift with me kind of videos, but now it's time to really get down and dirty when it comes to real life home projects. It's not a walk in the park at times, but it's definitely rewarding. It's definitely rewarding. So thanks y'all for watching. Y'all take care and stay tuned. Bye y'all.